The mirror behind me is the coolest thing ever. It was sent to me and I was beyond giddy when we installed it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the features. Check this out. A mirror with a TV in it? Yes, you can literally watch Netflix. You can watch YouTube in it. It has all the apps. It even has defogging. So we have it set up for our kids. Our kids take a bath and watch shows. How lucky are they? That's insane, right? I didn't have that as a kid. Not a chance did I have that. So I think that is pretty incredible. Okay, to show you some audio and stuff, I'm actually going to go to YouTube because I can go to my own channel and play my own videos. That would be good for copyright protection. Pretty cool, huh?
No, thank you. You know those red light face devices that have set.
Here's another super cool feature. I haven't really played with it yet, but it's called Smart Mirror and has your skin, your weight, your blood pressure. It looks like you got to get connected into it. Listen to music. I think this just looks super, super cool. So I'm going to definitely get hooked in with that. And I just love all the functionality of this mirror. There's all kinds of apps. You can get your news, you can get your weather, you can go search the internet. There's Disney Plus. There's literally everything. Okay, but also you have your LED options. So when you're getting ready, and if you don't want any of that, you can just have a regular mirror as well. And then this is your defogger. So many options. It's so amazing. Okay, if you want the full mirror, you don't want to see any of this, you go like up, and then there's the little off button there.
Press it.
Press it, and now. Hello.
Hi.
And then if you want it back on,
I touched it.
we just touch the screen. That's it. So simple. I don't know about you, but I think we have the coolest mirror I've ever seen. And there's so much more to this that I haven't even explored yet. Here is the information booklet. It is wired into our wall, and we did have our contractors do it because our house was being completely remodeled, but it wasn't too difficult for them to do it. So that's a good thing. Now, one other thing, this is waterproof. So if it gets splashed, if it gets really hot and humid in here, it is okay. Cleaning it, it's all good. So this is amazing. It's incredible.
I like it. It's a thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.